I just cut myself off. That's terrible. Okay, what we want is the difference between the two. So if we have the difference between the two, then we can figure out what the area of the deck is. So we'll take our 648 and we'll subtract our 420. Okay, so we have 228 square feet for the deck. All right. Okay. Let's look at that. Let's look at number 2. Okay. A rectangular piece of paper has an area of 88 square inches. If the paper is 11 inches long, how wide is the paper? Okay, so we know that this is going to be an area. So our area is equal to length times width. And our area is 88. And our length is 11. But we don't have our width. I'm going to let you guys solve that one. We did something just like it on the page before, so look at that and see what you can do. Okay, well, I'm also going to let you guys solve this one. So a chicken pen has an area of 322 square feet. If it's 14 feet wide, how long is it? Okay, so our area is equal to length times width. We have our area, which is 322. We do not have the length, but we do have the width. Okay, and let's see here. Let's see here. I did one. I set up these two for you. Let's work this one together. We want to find the area of the frame around the mirror. So here's the mirror. It's a weird looking mirror. But we want to know what the frame is. So we're going to find out what this is first. Then we're going to find what this is, and we're going to subtract the two. So our first one is the area of the mirror is half of the base times the height. The base is 16 and the height is 10. So if we take half of 10, that's 5. So I don't like that. That's too hard to do. Let's take half of 16. That's 8 times 10, which is 80. Okay, so our mirror is 80 square inches. Our frame, well, the whole space that it takes up is going to be, the base is 18, the height is 12. So if we take half of 12, we have 18 times 6. So let's see what that is. Which is 108. Now we just need to figure out what the difference is. So we have 108, and we're going to subtract 80 from it. And 10 minus 8 is 2. So this is the frame. All right. All right. You can do that one. So I guess we'll do 5 together. And then I'll let you guys do 2, 3, and 6. Okay. This is the one I should have used more of because I bought paint, but I didn't buy enough. And if I just would have figured out how much I was painting, I probably would have saved myself a trip to the paint store. All right. So 1 gallon of paint covers 14 square feet of wall space. We need to know that. Andrew is painting 2 walls. One is 10 feet long and 9 feet tall. The other is 16 feet long and 18 feet tall. And we want to know how many gallons he needs. So first we have to figure out how many gallons, how many square feet this is going to be. So we have a wall. So one is 10 by 9. Which is 90. That's an easy one. And one is 16 by 18, which I do not know off the top of my head, so let's figure that one out. $288. All right, so we're going to add these two together. Okay, so we had 378 total square feet. We need to know how many times 14 goes into that. All right, so we're going to take that number and we're going to say, I'm just going to make it a division problem. All right, so what is 378 divided by 14? My goodness, my fingers are not working well this morning. Okay, so it looks like 27. Is that right? Okay, first of all, I doubt that's how many gallons it's going to take. That's a lot of gallons of paint because 1 gallon of paint can just about cover an entire room. So I don't know what, this must be very special paint. Because if we are taking the 378 square feet that we need to cover, and we have 1 gallon that covers 14 square feet, that's crazy. Not realistic. We need 27 gallons of paint. I don't think so. So I think I'd change that to some other story because that's a story that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so you guys are going to do numbers 6, 2, and 3. 2, 3, and 6. All right.